Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Alex.
Hello, Alex, and hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. I'm John.
It's such a beautiful day today.
It really is. The sun is shining and I'm feeling full of energy. How about you, Alex?
I'm feeling great, excited for today's topic.
Oh, yes. Today's topic is one of the most important for beginners.
Absolutely. We are going to learn how to introduce yourself in English.
Yes, this is something everyone needs to know. Whether you meet someone new at school, work, or a party, introducing yourself is the first step.
And don't worry, we will make it easy and fun.
Step 1. Basic Introduction.
Okay, John, let's start with the basics. If you meet someone for the first time, the first question is usually,
What is your name?
right, and the answer is simple. My name is, or I'm.
Exactly. For example, my name is John, or I'm John.
And you can ask politely in return, and you?
So it goes like this. For example,
Hi, my name is Alex.
nice to meet you, Alex. My name is John.
Notice how we say, nice to meet you. That's a polite phrase when you meet someone for the first time.
And you can also say, it's a pleasure to meet you. That's a little more formal.
Step 2. Where are you from?
After the name, the next common question is, where are you from?
And the answer is simple. I am from, or I'm from,
For example, I'm from Canada.
or I'm from the United States.
And you can ask in return, where are you from?
For example, nice to meet you, Alex. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia. And you?
I'm from England.
See? Short, simple, and easy to remember.
Step 3. Where do you live?
Next, people often ask, where do you live?
You can answer with, I live in.
For example, I live in London, or I live in a small town.
You can also add extra details, like, I live in a big city. It's very busy, but I love it.
For example, where do you live, John?
I live in a small town. It's very quiet.
That sounds nice. I live in a big city. Very noisy, but I enjoy it.
Step 4. Talking about your job.
Another common question is, what do you do?
Right. And this is the most natural way to ask about someone's job.
Not, what is your job? People usually say, what do you do?
And the answer is simple. I am a.
For example, I am a teacher, or I am a student. For example, so John, what do you do?
I am a teacher. And you, Alex?
I am a student.
You can also explain a bit more. I work in a hospital, or I study art at university.
Step 5. Talking about your hobbies.
After your job, people love to ask about hobbies.
Yes, this is fun. You can answer, I like, or my hobby is.
For examples, I like reading books, or I enjoy playing soccer.
For example, Alex, what are your hobbies?
I love painting and drawing. And you, John?
I enjoy listening to music and playing sports.
See, hobbies make the conversation more interesting.
Step 6. Talking about your family.
Another common question is, do you have any brothers or sisters?
And you can answer, yes, I have, or no, I'm an only child.
For example, do you have any brothers or sisters, John?
Yes, I have one sister. And you?
I have 2 brothers.
You can also talk about your parents. My mother is a teacher. My father is a doctor.
Step 7. Saying goodbye politely.
After the introduction, you want to end the conversation politely.
Right. You can say, it was nice to meet you. I hope we meet again. See you soon.
For example, it was nice to meet you, John.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. See you soon.
Perfect.
Step 8. Extra tips and phrases.
Some extra phrases you can use. Where do you come from? Another way to ask where someone is from. What are you studying? If the person is a student. What do you like to do in your free time? For hobbies.
And remember, always smile and speak slowly and clearly.
Yes, confidence is very important.
Step 9. Practice together.
Now, listeners, let's practice together. I will ask questions, and you can answer out loud.
Okay, ready?
What is your name?
Where are you from?
What do you do? What are your hobbies? Do you have brothers or sisters? Great! If you answered, you are ready to introduce yourself confidently.
Step 10. Review.
Let's review everything we learned today. 1. Name. My name is. 2. Country. I'm from. 3. City. I live in. 4. Job. I am a. 5. Hobbies. I like. 6. Family. I have. 7. Goodbye. It was nice to meet you.
Simple, clear, and friendly. That's all you need. Now it's your turn, listeners. Please write in the comments your name, where you're from, one hobby.
We want to read all your comments. Don't be shy. This is great practice for your English. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends who want to learn English.
Yes, the more you practice, the more confident you become.
Well, John, I had so much fun today.
Me too, Alex. Learning English is always more fun together.
That's right.
Okay, everyone. Keep practicing, and we'll see you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.